Jackfruit begins its journey in dense tropical farms. These massive fruits grow directly from the trunks of mature trees.
Each fruit can weigh over 20 kilograms. Its size alone presents a unique challenge for processing.
Welcome back to the channel. Today, we explore how jackfruit is processed from raw harvest to ready-to-eat products.
The thick outer skin protects the edible interior. But before that can be accessed, careful handling is required.
The journey from farm to factory is short but critical. Freshness must be preserved at all times.
At the factory, the real transformation begins. Every step is designed for efficiency and consistency. Initial movement through the system begins with automated conveyors. This ensures uniform flow into processing lines. Large-scale operations require coordination. Hundreds of fruits are processed simultaneously.
Each fruit is visually inspected for quality. Only suitable jackfruits move forward.
The fruit releases a natural latex when cut. This characteristic must be carefully controlled during processing.
Cleaning begins with high-pressure water systems. Removing contaminants is essential before further handling.
Mechanical brushes reach into the textured skin. This ensures thorough cleaning without damaging the fruit.
Once cleaned, the fruits are ready for the next stage. But the most complex work is still ahead.
Flow control ensures the system remains balanced. Overloading can disrupt the entire process.
Automation supports precision at every step. Small adjustments keep operations running smoothly.
The outer shell has been prepared for processing. This is only the beginning of a much more complex transformation.
Each fruit must be precisely positioned. Stability ensures a clean and controlled cut.
The outer shell is extremely tough. Industrial blades are required to break through its structure. Natural latex is released immediately after cutting. Specialized systems prevent it from interfering with equipment.
Once opened, the internal structure becomes visible. This reveals the edible and non-edible components.
The process divides the fruit into categories. Each component follows its own processing path.
Initial separation begins manually. Skilled handling prevents damage to the edible portions.
These bulbs are the primary edible product. Preserving their quality is essential.
Non-edible fibers are removed at this stage. Seeds are collected separately for further use.
A second cleaning stage removes any remaining residue. This ensures purity before further handling.
Sorting systems create uniform spacing. This prepares the product for consistent processing.
Temperature control begins early in the process. It helps preserve texture and freshness.
The raw fruit has now been separated and prepared. The next stage will refine it even further. The prepared jackfruit now enters the core processing stage. This is where transformation begins at scale.
Rotating systems distribute the fruit evenly. Consistency is critical for uniform results.
Heat alters the internal structure. The fruit becomes easier to shape and process. After heating, the fruit exits the chamber. It is now ready for mechanical refinement. Different product types require different treatments.
Some portions are shredded for specific uses.
Precision cutting ensures uniform texture. This is essential for consistency in final products.
The process splits into multiple production paths. Each serves a different product outcome.
The shredded material is collected for blending. This allows controlled flavor and texture development.
Mixing systems maintain uniformity. Gentle motion prevents overprocessing.
Moisture levels are carefully adjusted. This keeps the texture stable throughout production.
Whole bulbs undergo refinement as well. Excess fibers are removed for a cleaner finish.
Whole bulbs undergo refinement as well. Excess fibers are removed for a cleaner finish. Automation ensures precise portioning. Each unit is prepared for consistent packaging later.
Leveling systems standardize each portion. This ensures even processing in the next stages.
Cooling stabilizes the processed fruit. It locks in the desired texture.
Defective pieces are removed automatically. Only uniform jackfruit moves ahead.
Optical systems analyze each jackfruit piece. Even minor variations are detected instantly.
The processed jackfruit now enters the refinement stage. Every detail is adjusted with precision.
Final trimming refines the shape of each jackfruit bulb. Accuracy is critical at this stage.
Robotic systems handle the fruit gently. Consistent portioning ensures uniform packaging later. Shredded jackfruit is aligned for consistency. Uniform texture improves final product quality.
The internal fibers are now clearly defined. This texture is essential for the final product experience.
Small adjustments create big differences. Precision ensures consistency across thousands of units.
Shredded jackfruit is carefully shaped. The structure must remain intact while becoming uniform.
Moisture levels are constantly adjusted. This prevents drying and preserves freshness.
Every tray must match precise standards. Uniformity defines large-scale production.
Alignment systems guarantee accuracy. Even positioning is essential for the next stage.
Data systems track every batch of jackfruit. Precision is guided by continuous monitoring.
Check the schematics for the hydraulic press.
Looks optimized. The synchronization is perfect.
Both product lines are stabilized together. Conditions are carefully maintained. The jackfruit now reflects its final refined form. Visual quality meets processing precision.
Refinement is now complete. The next stage will prepare the jackfruit for final inspection and packaging.
Strong lighting exposes every detail. Nothing is left unchecked at this stage.
Advanced systems monitor every parameter. Immediate alerts ensure quick response.
Safe systems scan for contaminants. Product integrity must be guaranteed.
Each portion is weighed for accuracy. Consistency is essential for packaging standards. Any variation is corrected immediately. No inconsistencies are allowed to pass through.
This batch meets the refinement standard.
Agreed. Ensure the shredding is uniform before it proceeds.
Excess moisture is carefully removed. This prepares the product for safe packaging.
This step enhances product safety. It ensures the jackfruit meets hygiene standards.
Approval is clearly marked within the system. The product is now ready for packaging.
All approved products are consolidated. The process now moves toward final preparation.
Quality control ensures reliability at scale. Every unit meets the same standard.
Temperature stability is maintained until packaging. This preserves freshness and quality.
The finished jackfruit now enters the packaging stage. This is where it becomes ready for distribution.
Packaging begins with precise alignment. Every container must be perfectly positioned.
Automated systems handle the fruit with care. Each portion is placed with exact precision. Sealing protects the product from contamination. It also preserves freshness during storage.
Shredded jackfruit is portioned using controlled flow. This maintains uniform density in every pack.
Sealing protects the product from contamination. It also preserves freshness during storage.
Heat sealing creates a secure barrier. The product is now protected from external conditions.
Cooling stabilizes the sealed packs. This ensures durability during transport.
Each package is marked for traceability. This allows full tracking through the supply chain.
Sorting systems organize the final products. Order is essential for efficient packaging.
Cartoning is fully automated. Each box is packed for maximum efficiency.
Boxes are sealed securely. This prepares them for safe handling and transport.
Finished boxes move toward storage. The process is nearly complete.
Palletizing ensures stability. Each stack is built for safe transportation.
Storage facilities maintain organized inventory. The product is ready for distribution worldwide.
From a spiky fruit on a tree to a packaged product, the journey is complete. Every step ensures quality, safety, and consistency.